My move tool is highlighted, it's active. If I look into the options bar here, there's a box saying show transform controls. If I check on this, put a check mark here, then the layer that's active, you can see a bounding box appears around it with some handles. This allows me to free transform the image, so it saves us the job of going to the menu to pick out the free transform. You can see if I left click on a box and drag diagonally down, it will expand the box. So I've increased the size of this one. I'm going to come down to layer 1, which was the first one I brought in. I'm just going to expand this size as well, and I'm going to put this next to this one just to get the dimensions correct of them both. I'm just going to move this over so I can see what I'm doing. Then finally I'll come to layer 2, which is the final piece. The free transform goes on this one, and I can expand this outwards and place it next to the middle piece. Now I'm doing this because I want to make sure that they're correct in the way they look. I'm just going to pull out once again and get these correct. And this is how we can transform images quite easily just using the move tool.